Buongiorno a tutti, welcome to Stranger in Roma. So today I'm taking you with me to the Vicus Caprarius. Let's sit together where the Aqua Virginie is walking by to give water to the Fontana di Trevi. Buongiorno a tutti, welcome to Stranger in Roma. So today I'm taking you with me to the Vicus Caprarius, which is the aqueduct that is giving birth to the Fontana di Trevi. One part of this aqueduct have already been shown on the channel. I will link here the video about it, which is a renascent video, because this is the aqueduct from the basement of this department store. But today we are going to another part, which is Vicus Caprarius, which is another building which is near the Fontana di Trevi, and from this part it's possible to see the aqueduct, but as well the one part of the water that is going there, because this aqueduct is still functioning. It's amazing. So I'm taking you with me there and hope we will enjoy it. See you soon there. enjoyed this video, give it a like and leave me a comment. Don't forget to subscribe and to tell friends and family about the channel. See you soon on A Stranger in Roma. Arrivederci. Ciao ciao.